So in this video, I'm going to talk about the polygon. Let me select any of the plane. Let me select front plane. And choose to increase it. No matter how it is, it's still the same. So once you select the polygon tool, we have for construction. I'll talk about it. We also have the parameters. This gives you the number of size you want. Okay. And we also have the inscribed circle, where the circle is inside, and the circumscribed circle, where the circle is outside. So let's start with a 6-sided polygon, which is a hexagon. So once I select it and I draw it, it gives me this. Okay. So you can see that with the inscribed circle, the circle that draws the polygon is inside. Okay, let me draw it again. The circle is inside. Now let me select circumscribed circle. Now let me draw it also again, and let's see. You clearly see that the circle is outside. Okay. Then I made mention of for construction. So for construction, basically lets you draw the polygon, but this time around not for the bold lines, but for constructional purposes. So once you select it and you want to use it for construction, you just select for construction. Immediately you see that the actual polygon has changed to short dashes or hidden lines, which shows that it's for constructional purpose. You can decrease the size. Okay, you can also increase the size once it's still selected. You see, you can decrease, you can increase at the same time. Once you're okay, you can just accept it. So this is the polygon tool.